Welcome to Purpose Path. Today, we're focusing on strategic planning, the process of turning your vision into actionable, measurable goals. Once your foundation is set, your first stop is the goals overview. This is your strategic hub. To start fresh, click to launch our goal wizard. There are four main steps to define a goal: the intent, strategies, measuring success, and strategic actions. In the intent stage, you'll define the title, the owner, and a clear intent statement. This isn't just a label. It's where you define what success looks like and why it matters. If you wish to refine your intent statement, click Save Draft and then AI Assist. Because the system already knows your business foundation, it will refine your language to ensure this goal aligns perfectly with your values and purpose, making your goal statement much more meaningful than just numbers. The system will show you exactly what is missing to align your current intent statement with your core identity. It will then provide several options that are better connected to your North Star. Once you find the statement that resonates most with you, simply select it. You can always edit specific words or add any details to ensure it feels exactly right. Below the intent statement, the alignment check identifies any gaps between your goal and your core identity. It provides real-time recommendations to keep your goal on track. This alignment score will get updated as you move through the remaining steps and activate the goal. Next, we move to strategies. These are the specific hows that define exactly what path you will follow to achieve your goal. You have full control here. You can enter your own strategies manually or leverage the platform's intelligence by clicking Get AI Suggestions. The AI analyzes your unique business foundation and goal intent to offer customized strategic paths tailored specifically to your organization. This isn't generic advice. It's a targeted roadmap designed to maximize your impact. Take a moment to review these options and choose the ones that best fit your current capacity. Remember, your strategy is a living document. You can always return to refine your choices or add more advanced strategies as your business scales. After adding 3 of the AI's recommendations, I'm also going to add a manual strategy. In this case, creating a referral program. As you can see, the interface is completely flexible. If I make a typo or want to adjust the wording, I can instantly edit the text and proceed without skipping a beat. Now, let's define your measures. These are the KPIs that tell us if your goal and strategies are working. You can browse our measure catalog for industry standard metrics or click Add Custom Measure to build your own from scratch. Here, you'll define the owner and the data type. In this case, the main objective is a financial goal, so let's browse the measure catalog. Under the financial section, you'll find a variety of predefined metrics to choose from. For our purposes, selecting annual revenue makes the most sense. This allows us to track our primary growth driver with a standardized, industry-recognized measure. At this point, we can refine the specific details of the measure or define our target value. You have the flexibility to set these targets now or revisit them later during the execution phase if you prefer. Once you're satisfied with the setup, let's go ahead and add the measure to our goal. At this stage, you may want to add additional measures to your goal. You also have the option to associate these measures with specific strategies. For this example, we will proceed with just one measure. Finally, we add strategic actions. These are the tactical to-dos required to move the needle and that are necessary to achieve the goal. Strategic actions will be visible throughout the entire system, providing alerts and proactive nudges. Assign the action to a relevant team member, set the due date, and add the action. You can also use suggest actions to let the AI recommend specific tasks tailored to your goal intent, your chosen strategies, and your overall company foundation. Once the AI is ready, it presents a list of recommended actions. You can then decide which are relevant to your current objectives and which you wish to execute. At this stage, you can also define the owner and the due date for each item before adding them to your plan. Once you're ready, you can add your selected actions and continue to edit or refine them as needed. After you finalize your actions and you're ready to proceed, simply click Activate to review your goal summary and set your strategy live. Hit Activate Goal, and your goal is officially live. Your strategy is no longer just a document. It is a live, trackable project. This will take you back to the Goals Overview menu, your central hub for all strategic objectives. At any point, you can click on a specific goal to review its details, including the defined strategies, measures, and actions. If you need to make adjustments, simply click Edit in Planning Studio. This allows you to refine your goal, swap out strategies, or add new measures as your business evolves. Clarity is the first step toward growth. Now that your strategies and measures are set, let's move to the execution phase to see how we track this progress in real time. Let's build your path to purpose.